Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hutchinson, local and long-distance movers near me. You wouldn't believe how effortlessly we handle local moves at 3 Movers. When you're relocating within Hutchinson, we bring the magic of our tried and true process. First, we work closely with you to create a personalized moving plan tailored to your needs, because no move is the same. On the big day, our skilled local movers will arrive with all the necessary equipment and packing materials to ensure your belongings are secure and well cared for. As we load up the truck, you'll see the finesse in our precision. Each item is placed strategically to minimize shifting during transit. What sets us apart is our intimate familiarity with Hutchinson streets. We know every twist and turn, shortcut, and make navigation a breeze. This local knowledge isn't just a fun fact, it's a valuable asset that benefits you immensely. You can trust us that we'll choose the most efficient routes, avoiding traffic snarls and ensuring your belongings arrive promptly. Our experienced long-distance 3 Movers will take extra care in packing your belongings for the long haul. We use high-quality materials and techniques to shield items from bumps. From delicate china to cherished heirlooms, your treasures are in safe hands. And here's where our local knowledge shines again. We select routes that balance speed and safety, making the miles seem shorter. Rest assured, our commitment to affordability remains strong. We understand that long-distance moves come with financial considerations. That's why we offer the best pricing options that align with your budget while delivering top-notch service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hutchinson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.